Hi, this is NSBC 178, and today we're going to do the fridge game. Now,
Jessica,
what?
Straight.
Now, what we do here is you blindfold the person, as you can see right there, and you open the fridge, and you pick something, 2 objects from the fridge. Just hurry up.
Okay, let's see what she has picked. The lemon iced tea.
It feels like water.
Lemon iced tea.
It feels like water.
It's lemon iced tea and ketchup. So the thing. So what she'd have to do is put those together. So just give me that. Watch and learn here, people. Stop moving.
I'm trying to find a chair.
Just stop moving. And to take away all your pain, we'll just keep it shut. So just drink from this. And drink it one more time, but hold it in your mouth. Don't put too much in. And now pour this in your mouth. Don't put it on your lips. Don't put it on your tongue. Put it on your hand, how Now drink more from this. Now drink some more. Okay, we're all good now.
I got some in my hair.
I feel bad for you, Jessica. I'll give you napkins right now. Here, Jessica. I have to pee really bad, so... Okay, that was an example there. Now, next we're going to have her actually go up for the right turn. Film her, she's being a retard.
What was that?
I pissed on the floor.
Seriously? Is that what I touched?
Guys, I'm pissing.
Stop. Where's the...
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Is she...
I'm blindfolded.
Look! Oh my god!
I couldn't help myself. I do not piss the bed, guys.
What is that?
Before it leaks any further, this is really gross. Ew.
You too.
Okay, you know what? We're just going to continue. Guys, hello. We're going to continue after this break. Okay, hi. Oh, yeah. This is going to be round 2 with the fridge game. This time, Jessica is going to go again. Okay, ready? Let's start. Now, there's some this side door here, and there's a few...
Oh god!
Tea again?
Jessica, go!
Okay, you got it. Now grab it out. Okay. Okay, now I'll prepare.
Okay, up.
I'm so glad you changed that for her. This is what she was grabbing.
What did I grab? You changed it
Yeah.
on me?
I kind of
felt different.
had to.
Do you want me to keep it?
Good.
Okay, she wants to keep that.
Okay. But I think she needs to keep this for later.
Oh, shit. Oh, God. Okay, just keep her there.
Oh my god. Wait, let me get that.
Okay.
Are you spitting in it?
No. Okay.
Oh my god.
It smells fine, though. Okay, ready? Pull her thing up. Shit, guys, I'm still pissed. Just a little bit. Here's a little napkin.
god. Oh god.
Oops. This water?
Yeah,
Okay,
don't worry.
drinking
Yeah,
it.
drink a lot. It says you need it.
Yeah, it does. Okay, now
Okay.
I'll unblindfold her.
And show her what she grabbed and close the lid so she can see the...
Expiration.
I shouldn't have poured that out.
No, I just poured out the water. It's in everything.
The water,
Okay,
you mean like the old
I'll
oil?
get it. Okay. This is what we're recording shit. This is what you did. The yogurt and this
Medicine.
medicine, and it's for take 2 teaspoons 3 times a day as needed.
What is it?
Cause drowsiness.
If I fall asleep, guys, you know why. Alcohol may intensify the effect. Used when operating car or dangerous machinery.
That's a
And
lie.
what is that?
Oh, you're right. Okay, I'm next. Hey,
Okay.
you every time someone goes next, you